Today we're making a perfectly good burger. Oh! This is so good. Ethan here with another daily video from Cooking for Kids TV, and this channel is for teaching you to cook from a book, not from a box. And today we're making a perfectly good burger. And so here's the ingredients you need: onion, breadcrumbs, 1 whole egg, pepper and salt mixed up, olive oil or normal oil, optional, and minced garlic, and my all-time favorite, meat, ground turkey. And also, here is a tip. Wash your hands before you touch this and after. It already did. So let's mix everything up. And let's start mixing. So let me mix the turkey up for a little bit. Okay, done mixing. First, I'm going to add the dry stuff. And then I'm going to add salt and pepper mixed. And then I'm going to add onions. Let's grab some. And then we're gonna put breadcrumbs. Boom. And then I'm gonna mix up the egg. Okay, so let me show you how to mix a proper egg. Don't go like this and then it will just splash over. I want you to go like in perfect circles like this. But as fast as you can. Like this. Boom, done. Gonna move the bowl. Then I'm gonna put the egg inside. Boom. And I'm gonna add the olive oil. This is olive oil of your choice. And then we're going to add minced garlic. Okay, boom. I'm gonna mix it up with my hands. I'm gonna make sure like everything's mixed properly, get everything off the ground. And comment down below if you like ground turkey or ground beef. Well, I like ground turkey. Comment down what's your favorite. The breadcrumbs are also gluten-free because my mom, she can't eat gluten. And you could also choose if it's gluten or not gluten. Your choice. It's optional. So now let's make a patty. So for me, I usually first all of my hands, like oil my hands a little first. And then I mix it up because I don't want anything like sticking it all over. This is a cookie cutter I'm using, but it does perfectly. You could use like fancy other circles, that stuff. And so I'm gonna first grab like one batch, use this thing here, and put this in there until I fill it up. Gonna pat them. Then I'm gonna take it out, and also once you take it out, you still have to round the edges. Okay, and then we'll put a little drop of oil. That's enough. And also don't press them like too much because you don't want them to like, they'll shrink though. And now, next one. This is my favorite part of making a burger. Delicious burgers. That's why I made this burger video. To help kids to cook from a book, not from a box. And for simple and easy recipes. And a little hard to pick up because, yeah, but you'll still get the hang of it once you do it in like a few tries. Soon you'll become like a master chef like at cooking. And my favorite chef, number one chef, is Gordon Ramsay. If you're watching this, I still love you. I'm your number one fan, actually. I wish I could be a mini you. That's what I wish. That's why I'm making Cooking for Kids TV. Put next patty in like right there. I'm gonna clean my board a little. And also, we got 1 more minute to flip it, and it gotta be cooking 3 minutes on each side. Wait for the timer. Come on, time to flip it. Just want to make sure there's no raw inside. Then do the next one. Boom. Ooh, that's a good patty. They're all good patties. And I will see you in 3 minutes. Hey guys, and so now I'm actually, it's been done. Also, I'm gonna prepare first the buns. I forgot. I also love lettuce, ketchup, and tomato, but my brother, he doesn't like them. So I'm just gonna put ketchup. First, add ketchup. Put this right there, and then I'm gonna add. Ooh, this looks. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to add ketchup on this one. And then you could also put cheese if you like. I'm definitely a cheese fan, also a Kobe Jack fan. Comment down below if you love cheddar cheese or Kobe Jack. I'm gonna get the cheese, give me a sec. Then I'm going to add the perfectly good cheese. Kobe Jack cheese, actually. Then I'm gonna add the bun on top. Boom! Best cheeseburger ever. I'm gonna grab my knife right here. Okay. Watch my fingers. And now I'm going to show you how I cut it. Oh! Man, that's some good cheeseburger. I'm going to try it. Okay, so I'll first start with this half. That was really good. This is so good. I just want to eat both of these, but I just can't. Like, I have to save it for my brother and my dad. My dad's a big fan of burgers, but he's not hungry at the moment too. Also, on my first bite, it was mouth-watering. Like, literally mouth-watering. Like, seriously. Look at my eyes. It's mouth-watering. And also, I hope you comment down below and like this episode and hit the bell and subscribe, and you'll get notified on all the videos we do. Bye. Here's the ingredients you need. Onion, breadcrumbs, 1 whole egg, pepper and salt mixed up, olive oil or normal oil, optional, and minced garlic, and my all-time favorite, meats, ground turkey.